I thought they were green flowers, but they're actually red.
This app allows my daughter to see colors that she couldn't see before. This technology is really great for us.
For people with low vision, we developed color inversion. It changes the graphic menu into contrast colors, leaving the video as is. It looks simple, but to enable this technology, we had to start by re-engineering the chipset.
I love this function. It's way easier to look at the menu.
It's really clear what I'm on, what I'm choosing, where I'm going. I've never had that before.
A woman driving a car. She reaches her hand out of the window.
Then there's audio description, so you can hear actors' gestures and expressions being described to you. This opens up new experiences for people who couldn't appreciate movies and TV series before.
This is such a great way to understand the scenes better.
It's not just about the screen. Something as ordinary as a remote control can feel totally unfamiliar. We made it easier to operate remote controls as well.
Down arrow, up
In the
arrow,
Learn Remote Control
left
mode,
arrow,
each
right
time you
arrow.
press a button, it will tell you what that does. Users can listen and quickly memorize the location of each button. And Voice Guide lets you know the current channel and volume level.
Channel 16, Music Channel HD Classic Live.
RNIB have thoroughly enjoyed working with Samsung on creating this range of accessible TVs, and the feedback we've had from our customers has been absolutely incredible. You know, it's the first time that blind and partially sighted people can use the whole of the smart TV independently. In 2020, we awarded Samsung TV with our accessibility accreditation. Their dedicated efforts have improved the lives of many.
We also offer technology for the deaf. Magnify the sign language area by up to 200%.
It's literally there on the screen. You can see the signing really clearly, unofficial expression too. It's really easy to understand.
You can magnify the sign language area by up to 200%. That clarity was really great.
Separate the captions so they don't cover the text of the video.
Finally, I love to see that you can move the captions below the image, which means I can see what's going on the screen, and also the tab is large as well, so that's perfect.
We seek a solution for every inconvenience through our technology. That's because we don't want to exclude anyone. Our technology is for everyone, including people like me.